Hwajeon, 안녕하세요. Friendly Kazuma here. So welcome back. Today I'm going to make a delicious sweet pumpkin rice cake. So this is a rice cake, but something different than what you think about rice cake. So I'm gonna decorate with the beautiful flowers on top of it, and this is not steamed. So if you are curious about it, please stay tuned. For simple ingredient today, so you can have the sweet pumpkin, rice powder, sunflower seed, jujube, salt, rice syrup, and some oil please. So firstly, let's just cut the sweet pumpkin. So when it's raw, it's hard to cut it, so be careful when you cut it. And cut into a small pieces. Basically, we're just gonna remove the skin because we just need a pretty yellow color for rice cake. So just remove the seeds first. So get one plastic bag and we're gonna put the chopped sweet pumpkins into this bag. So we got them in this way. Just make sure before you cut it into a small pieces of the sweet pumpkin, you gotta just wash it properly. We're gonna put it into the microwave and put them for about like 3 to 5 minutes. So it will be a little cooked and then it's gonna be easy to peel off the skin. So while we are waiting for the sweet pumpkin ready, actually we're just gonna prepare the dried jujube. You can just cut a little. Try to remove the seeds inside, but still you gotta cut a little bit. Let's do another one. So then just roll it. Roll it tightly. And then we can cut them. When you cut it, so the first piece will not have a good shape. So this one you can just eat it. And also the last one either. The cut jujube is like this. So this one is not perfectly round shape. You can just push a little bit and it can be a round shape. So later we're gonna make a flower with this. So let's just put them in a bowl. Our sweet pumpkin. So put it on a chopping board and then we'll try to remove the skin. So cool it down because it's hot. Ooh, so hot. Let's put it into a blender. Close the cover and we ground it. It's good now. So let's get a big bowl and put the rice powder into it. And then we'll add the pumpkins. Let's just start to mix. When you mix, you can also add some salt. So sprinkle it and spread it. So you can see the level of thickness. So this is not as thick as like clay, but still, see, this is a lot thicker than the normal pancake. Just like this. Looks nice and very pretty, isn't it? So normally rice cake we steam it, but today I'm gonna just use the frying pan and we'll just pan fry it. So I will just use this so I can make a small perfect round cute pieces. So let's turn the burner on. So you can preheat it. Keep the heat low all the time because it shouldn't be golden brown. Just put a little bit of oil, just a little bit. So don't make it too thick. A spoonful should be okay. And try to make the surface very even. Now, this is the time we need to put the dried jujube. So make a round shape, put it in the middle. Sunflower seeds, you can put it as a leaves. When you eat it, please just try to remove the shell of the seeds. Do not eat it together, it's very sharpened. And now it needs to be cooked, so we're gonna cover with the lid. Cover it and leave it for a while. So you need to keep the very low heat like this. It depends how thick the rice cake is. In my case, actually, I put like about 5 minutes. Then I want to flip it over. So lift it up and flip it over. It's nice color, isn't it? So again, just close the lid. And keep it for another 3 to 4 minutes. Then we're gonna have the beautiful rice cake with a flower decoration. It's well cooked and it's pretty, right? But this is still not the end. We need to coat the rice cake with the rice syrup. Just use the brush. You can coat it before you serve. Our rice cake with the beautiful flower decoration is ready. Look at it. Isn't it really pretty and nice, right? This is good when you eat it hot, but still, you can even serve when it's cold. It's more chewy. So this is so yummy and nice. Very pretty, yummy. I really want you to just give it a try. So hope that you enjoyed my cooking video today and hope to see you on my next video. So if you liked it, please just subscribe to my channel and like button for me, please. So thank you and 또 만나요, everyone.